If you bought the expensive Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, you must be thinking of a protective case. The best option is always to go with the original one, and that's what this video is all about. Hi, this is Steve, and you're watching the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus genuine case lineup, starting with the LED view cover and its third iteration. I must say that Samsung always manufactures great-looking and high-quality cases. This one is no exception, and every year cases are improving. LED cover is made of a textured striped material and of course has those LED lights integrated in the front flap. The charging and the headphone port are easy to access, as are the buttons. There is a card slot on the inside, just to put in magnetized cards. This time LED animations are even better, and with color. You can make your own or edit pre-existing ones. The wireless charging function is fully operational with this great looking and protective case. Another flip case I have here is the clear view standing cover. This is the one with a see-through front cover that enables you to take a glance at your screen and see the notifications. Same as the previous one, this one also provides easy access to phone's functions and a solid all-around protection while maintaining a sleek style. The Qi charging also works with this case. There is one great functionality to the case, and that is the stand that is hidden in the back of the case, held tight by a couple of magnets. Just fold the case and hinge it to convert it to a viewing stand, hence the name. Moving on to the snap-on covers. And this one is the silicone cover that fits perfectly and looks very nice. And it feels nice too, it's really smooth and silky to the touch. It does attract some dust and lint, but it's fairly easy to clean. All cutouts are perfect, the buttons are molded, and the wireless charging works. If you are looking for an elegant solution, then this one is surely your best bet, the Alcantara cover. This is the case that hasn't changed a bit over years. Why would they change it? It's perfect. The material is premium, it looks nice, it feels nice, it fits the phone perfectly, and it provides solid protection, even when you put a phone face down on a flat surface. Qi charging, of course, works without any problems. The new kid on the block is the Hyperknit cover. The build is identical to the Alcantara cover, just the outer material is different. It is some kind of a knitted fabric that looks modern and classic at the same time. It almost feels like a part of the phone. That's how well it fits the S9 Plus. Yet again, no problems with the cheap charger. If you really want to protect your phone with a military drop-tested case, then this standing cover is something you might like. It's a hybrid case made of plastic and silicone that covers the entire back and the sides of the phone. It even has a generous lip over the screen. It resembles a bit to a metal suitcase, but in a good way actually. I like it. The case looks and really is thick, but the wireless charging works anyway. One additional function to this case is the pull-up stand that puts your phone in a perfect media viewing position. And that's it for this video. You can find all these cases in my Trendyphone website. Please write your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.